Yes, peeps. You know, sometimes ER just like to have a little meditation and peace and joy. Right now, it's about 7 o'clock in the morning. See some ducklings up there, some babies. Hope they're coming my way. Anyway, guys, you know, sometimes you have to take a little time out for yourself. Just enjoy nature. Okay, it's all about nature, the peeps. If you're not enjoying nature, you're not enjoying life. These are the things you have to enjoy. Nature, water. Yeah. Some little ducklings up there. I have to enjoy nature. See some little ducklings swimming there, little baby ducklings up there. Yeah. I like the ducks. And I like the geese. Yeah, man. As I say, right now, ER is just all the meditation right now. You know what I'm saying? And ER is just nature. Sometimes you need a time out for yourself, man. Take a little time out. Catch yourself. Yeah, man. Sometimes you have to talk to yourself. I don't like you go crazy or nothing. But you just want to enjoy nature by yourself sometimes and reason with yourself. Yeah. Hey, man, you have to take a little time out, man. Sometimes you have a long week. You know what I mean? A long day. And you just want to breeze out of the house. And you have to find these spots to catch yourself. You know what I mean? Talk to the people, them. They know what it's all about. That ER always give them different content at all times. You know what I'm saying, peeps? Yeah, man, sometimes you have to catch it, you have to do that and catch yourself, man. Reason with nature, you know? And reason with yourself. Yeah. This is the ER, peeps. Just want to say, guys, thank you guys again. You always subscribe to ER and support ER. And always, you know, give ER a thumbs up. And yeah, man, for all the guys who will leave a comment, respect and manners for that. And I just want to big up all my YouTubers them out there. Big up all my YouTubers them out there. Yarn and Brad, all over the world. Just go and subscribe to ER One Love TV, guys. And you know what I mean, let the thing grow. Alright, guys. You guys are getting a lot of feedback. Say ER, you have a lot of content. You have a lot of content. But some people still not subscribing. You're just watching the videos and not subscribing to the ER. I want to know what's going on, peeps. You know what I mean? Turn on the notification bell. Yeah, subscribe to the ER, man. ER is here to stay. You know what I'm saying? I didn't really know I was going to be a YouTuber. But, you know, for your watch colors on a Monday, you get an inspiration. You know what I mean? From a guy and greet and meet and thing. Yeah, man, you get some more inspiration. You know what I mean? So big up Colors team. And big up everybody with Portland, with the Portland. Port Carolina, so. That water too shallow. Yeah, so you forgot Portland. You know what I mean? With the real Portland. Anyway, peace. Back on topic again, guys. Yeah, man, just give ER a thumbs up. Give me a subscribe. Right? Keep on telling a friend that ER is back again. And this is what ER is all about. Nature. Nature is wonderful. And nature is good. Peace of mind. Clear your mind. Clear your thoughts. Yeah. So anyway, ER, I just want to say bye-bye for now, guys. And I will see you guys episode. Okay? Real nature. Peeps. Bye-bye for now. And I'll see you guys again. Bye-bye.